Good morning, students. I am welcome back to online class. How are you all? I hope all are fit and safe at your home. Have you learned the previous week portion? I hope all of you learned the previous week portion. Shall we recall it? Okay. Lesson 10, Plant Food. What is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants make their own food from carbon dioxide and water by using sunlight is called photosynthesis. Why do the leaves are green in color? The leaves are green in color because they contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Turn page number 17. Word grid. Use the clues provided here to complete the word grid with words from the previous page. Across. The list of things needed to make something, usually in cooking. The answer is ingredients. Next, the gas that is given out after photosynthesis. The answer is oxygen. Next, the direction in which water travels in a plant from the roots to the leaves. The answer is up. Next, the part of a plant that draws up water. The answer is roots. Next, the parts of a plant where food is made. The answer is leaves. Next, what a plant gets from food. The answer is energy. Down. A natural source of heat and light. The answer is sunlight. Next, the gas a plant takes in to make food. The answer is carbon dioxide. Next, the time during which plants carry out photosynthesis. The answer is day. Next, a spoonful of this helps bitter medicine go down. The answer is sugar. Next, plant food. The answer is glucose. Next, the part of a plant that carries water up from the roots to the leaves. The answer is stem. Plants have the power to heal. B. Unscramble the letters to get the names of some medicinal plants. First one. Dash heals, burns, bites, cuts and scrapes. The answer is aloe. Number 2. Dash soothes a sore throat. The answer is ginger. Number 3. Dash is relaxing and helps relieve headaches. The answer is lavender. Number 4. Dash is good to have if you are feeling queasy or sick. The answer is mint. Number 5. Dash is said to be an air purifier. The answer is basil. Next, lesson 11, contractions. Say the contraction of the following words. He is, his. There is, theirs. You will, you'll. We are, we're. They are, there. Is not, isn't. Do not, don't. Should not, shouldn't. Shall not, shan't. Has not, hasn't. Could not, couldn't. Did not, didn't. Okay students, shall we move on to the next lesson? Are you interested in maths? I think a few of you interested in maths. What did you learn in maths? Odd numbers, even numbers, ascending order, descending order, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Today I am going to teach multiplication. Lesson 12, multiplication verbs. What is multiplication? Multiplication is defined as to calculate the result of repeated additions of two numbers. Example, 4 2s are 8. 4 times 2 equals 8. The parts of a multiplication are the multiplicand, multiplier and product. The multiplicand is the first number. The multiplier is the second number. And the product is the answer. Example, 5 3s are 15. Here 5 is the multiplicand, 3 is the multiplier and 15 is the product. Turn page number 19. Multiplication verbs. It say the spider likes weaving multiplication verbs. Here's how he does them. First one. First, he writes the multiplication table till the product ends with a 0. 4 0 is 0. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. See the next column. Then he selects the ones digit in each number. 0, 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. Then he draws lines between the ones digits as shown below. The lines start from and end at 0. Now, following the same steps helps it see complete the verbs given below. Number 2. Write the multiplication table for 2 till the product ends with the 0. 2 0 is 0. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. See the next column. Select the ones digit in each number from the first box. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Next column. Draw lines between the ones digit. Number 3. Write the multiplication table for 7 till the product ends with the 0. 7 0 is 0. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. See the next column. Select the ones digit in each number from the first box. 0, 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, 9, 6, 3, 0. See the next box. Draw the lines between the ones digit. Do you understand? Okay. Shall we move on to the next lesson? Do you have animals in your house? Yes, is it? What are the animals do you have in your house? Cow, goat, dog, cat, etc. What do we call it? We call it as domestic animals. Name some wild animals: lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, bear, etc. Where do they live? They live in forest. Today we are going to learn about forest. What do we get from forest? We get food, medicine, paper, etc. from forest. Is it? What can we see in the forest? We can see animals, birds, insects and reptiles. What is a forest? An area with high density of trees is called a forest. Name some forest: Amazon, Sundarban, Pichavaram forest, etc. Turn page number 20. Lesson 13. Forest. Forest impact our daily lives in so many ways. Match the columns given below to understand why it is important to respect and conserve our forest. Number 1. Forest send moisture into the air, so they help to bring. The answer is H. Rain. Say once again. Forest send moisture into the air, so they help to bring rain. Number 2. Forest keep. The answer is A. The earth cool. Say once again. Forest keep the earth cool. Number 3. Forest fight. The answer is F. Flooding and soil erosion. Say once again. Forest fight flooding and soil erosion. Number 4. Forest help us. The answer is J. To breathe. Say once again. Forest help us to breathe. Number 5. Forest provide a habitat to several species of. The answer is B. Wildlife. Say once again. Forest provide a habitat to several species of wildlife. Number 6. Forest give us spaces for. The answer is G. Hiking, camping and other outdoor activities. Say once again. Forest give us spaces for hiking, camping and other outdoor activities. Number 7. Forest actors. The answer is E. Natural air conditioner. Say once again. Forest actors natural air conditioners. Number 8. Forest influence. The answer is I, or climate. Say once again. Forest influence or climate. Number 9. Forests are threatened by. The answer is D. Deforestation, pollution, storms and forest fires. Say once again. Forests are threatened by deforestation, pollution, storms and forest fires. Number 10. Forest givers. The answer is C. Thousands of gifts including food, medicine, paper, clothing, etc. Say once again. Forest givers thousands of gifts including food, medicine, paper, clothing, etc. The Amazon forest in South America is called as the lungs of the earth. Amazon forest is called as the lungs of the earth because it has so many trees and plants. More than 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by the Amazon forest. The Amazon forest floor is in permanent darkness due to the thick cover of leaves at the top of the forest. In fact, it's so thick that when it rains, it takes around 10 minutes for the water to reach the ground. Do you understand this lesson? Shall we move on to the next lesson? Okay. Do you like English subject? I think all of you like English subject. Why do you like English? You like English because you can learn meanings and opposite of words, frame sentences, singular plural, grammar, as well as you can communicate with others in English. What did you learn in grammar? Subject, verb, tenses, articles, types of sentences, conjunctions, etc. Today we are going to learn about conjunction. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins parts of a sentence, phrases, or other words together. Say some example for conjunction. And, but, or, yet, if, because. Lesson 14. Conjunction. Conjunctions have been an important part of English grammar. Knowing a list of conjunctions will help not only be clear with your sentences but also sound more knowledgeable. Conjunctions are used as single words. Example, and, but. His brother and you look alike. We went to play cricket, but we couldn't as it began raining. Here, and, but. Both are conjunction because these two words join two parts of sentences. Conjunctions are used as in pairs. Example, neither nor. Here, neither nor are conjunction pairs. Neither nor are used to connect the same kind of word or phrase in the sentence. Example, my sister neither drinks nor smokes. Here, neither nor is used to join the group of words. Turn page number 21. Conjunction. A conjunction is a connector that helps us build sentences. Use conjunctions from the help box to fill in the blanks and complete the story given below. You can use the same word more than once. There was once a farmer who wished his small, noisy house was larger and quieter, so he went to the wise old woman of the town. I have a nice house, but it is too small and noisy. He said, I would be happier if I had a larger, quieter house. The wise woman said, you can spend a lot of money to buy a new house, or you can do as I say. The farmer decided to do as the wise woman said. If you have some chickens, some sheep, a horse, and a cow, she said, bring them into the house with you. That's a silly thing to do, thought the farmer, but he did it anyway. Now his house was already small and all those animals in it. There was no room at all. So he returned to the old woman and cried, I need a bigger house and some better advice. I can't even think because the animals are so noisy. Take all those animals out of your house, she replied. When he had put all the animals comfortably back in the barn, the farmer went into his house. He was pleasantly surprised to see that his house was quiet and looked larger because there were no animals inside. Look at the box given at the corner of this page. English is the official language of the sky. Which is the official language of the sky? English is the official language of the sky. Okay students, do you understand this lesson? I hope all of you eager to learn about the tourist places in Kanyakumari district. Today I would like to share about Thiruparapu Falls. Have you visited Thiruparapu Falls? I think most of the students visited Thiruparapu Falls. Thiruparapu Falls is located near Kulashegaram. The Kodayar makes its descent at Thiruparapu and the waterfall at this place is about 13 kilometers from Pechiparai Dam. The river bed is rocky. The water falls from a height of nearly 50 feet. The famous Thiruparapu well has been constructed for supplying water to the paddy fields. On the left bank of the river, in between the waterfalls and the well, there is a temple dedicated to Shiva. Thiruparapu Falls is always crowded with local people and tourists. There is facility to bath in the falls. The boating at the backside of the falls. There is a swimming pool for kids and adults. This waterfall looks majestic with its swelled up water that falls gorgeously to mesmerize you all. I think all of you felt you have visited this falls. Is it? Okay, thank you students. Have a wonderful day.